How to use Campus Insiderz as an aspirant. Step 1. Download the Campus Insiderz app from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Log in using your Gmail account. Step 3. On the homepage, you will see two main options: Meet Ambassadors and Explore Colleges. Step 4. If you want to ask any doubt related to college, course or career, go directly to the Meet Ambassadors section. Step 5. In the search bar, type the college you are looking for, the course you want guidance about, or the career you want to pursue. Step 6. After searching, you will get a list of college students. You can open any profile and start chatting with them, where you can ask doubts related to their college, course or career. Step 7. You can also call them through audio or video. Based on their availability in the booking session, you can select a suitable available slot, or simply ask them in chat to create a slot for you. After booking a slot, you will receive notification on the app 24 hours before and 1 hour before the session starts. During this one-to-one interaction, you can get detailed guidance. If you are preparing for any entrance exam or college exam, you can also use this feature for personal subject mentorship. Step 9. If you want to know detailed information about a college, go to Explore Colleges section. Here you can search for your desired college and explore details like about the college, rankings, accreditations, courses available, and campus facilities, admission process, and official updates. If you want real insights from the students studying there, click on Connect with Ambassador, where you can find current students and alumni, and start a chat or book a session. Now comes to the feed section. The feed is designed to be curated for your needs. Here, you can follow student ambassadors from your dream colleges, see their daily college life, academic journey, and experiences. You can use the feed as daily motivation to stay connected with the college, course, and career you aim for. Now comes the Ask section. The Ask section is for students who want multiple opinions on any doubt. You can select the category of your question and post it openly. Students will reply with their experience and insights. If you find any answer helpful, you can directly connect with that students through chat or booking a session. Campus Insiderz helps you explore colleges, understand courses, and get real mentorship from students who have already walked the path. Simple, honest, student-powered.